Coach Turner here with Brian Turner Basketball. I'm back at you with another video, YouTube. So today I got something special for you guys. This video is gonna be a Beat the Coach Challenge video. See, I got a few players in here that think since I'm an old man that they think they can just call me out and challenge me. Here's the thing, I haven't played basketball in a while. When I say in a while, that means up and down, sweat, kind of getting some rhythm, kind of getting some things going, and just even stretching. But today, I got something special for you guys that's tuning in. So YouTube, here we go with a video of a Beat the Coach Challenge. So let's see what guys I got that's in the gym that's gonna try to challenge Coach BT and see what the outcome is gonna be. So check it out, drop a comment, drop a like, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and give me some ideas on what the next video is gonna be. So check me out. All right, YouTube, we back. Another Beat the Coach Challenge. I'm a big guard too.
I ain't tripping off them.
I'm a big guard too. What I got?
Two.
Huh? You can check. I'm a big guard too. Yeah, you too. Don't look over today. He get the same treatment.
Playing no defense.
Let me leave him alone.
I ain't tripping.
You playing defense? This defense? Huh? That's defense. That's defense. That's what we teach her. Is that what we teach her? You too. Is that what we do here?
You gotta push. Push. Shit, you better push.
Beat the Coach Challenge. about not killing the confidence. All right, YouTube. I'ma own mine. I'ma post my losses. I'ma post my losses, cause look, your boy trying to get back in shape. Like I said earlier, man, I ain't hooped in I don't know how long. But I'm happy, you know, that they came to play. They took me down. And yeah, it is what it is. So catch me on the next Coach's Challenge.